Now let's move on to a term called arpeggios. Arpeggio is simply the notes of a chord. As opposed to being played as a chord, they're going to be played individually. So arpeggio simply means a chord with the notes played individually. Now what we're going to do is build a 3-note arpeggio from each note of the scale. And to do that we simply play every other note in groups of 3. So if we start, same fingering, 1, 3, 5. Every other note. Let's have a look. The first note, leave this one out, play the next one, leave the next note out, and play the next one. You have a triad. The term triad simply means 3-note arpeggio. And if we continued the same process through the scale, we would end up, I'll play it slowly for you. Start on the next note of the scale, every other note, next note, next note, next note, next note, and we'll use this high A to complete. Again, here's that low F sharp. Let me play those for you again smoother, just a little faster. Okay. Again, these are going to be used as a soloing tool when we put rhythm to them. Little ideas like that we'll look at later. So 3-note arpeggios. Now the next one, we're about halfway through our workout at the moment. So we'll do 4-note arpeggios. Simply graft on one more note that's a third away from the last one. In other words, 1, 3, 5, 7. So we have, instead of the triad, 1, 3, 5, we play the next note that's a third away from that one, and we end up with a 4-note arpeggio. Again, first one. I think a way to do these would, if I just called out the finger number, because as you know, each finger is assigned a fret. So if I simply call out the finger numbers, you should be able to get through it okay. So, 2, 1, 4, 3. Next arpeggio. 4, 2, 1, 4. Next one. 1, 4, 3, 1. Next one. 2, 1, 4, 3. 4, 3, 1, 4. 1, 4, 3, 2. 3, 1, 4, 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 4, 4, 2. And finally, 3, 2, 1, 4. Let's have a listen to those now. just going to speed one of those arpeggios up for you. You see the idea? So there we have it. 3-note arpeggios, 4-note arpeggios. Lastly in our workout, I'm going to, single note wise, I'm going to give you 2 sequences. A sequence simply means a group of notes. You can make up your own. I'll give you 2. We'll play the first 4 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Complete. Now we'll go to the second note of the scale and do 4 notes from it. I'm going to repeat that process. 3rd note, 4th note, 5th note. You can see now if I play that 4-note sequence. Again, these exercises are great for your right hand picking, for your alternate picking, and also great for getting your hands in shape as a warm-up. And it should, after a while, create a picture for you that everything associated to the chord. Each exercise that you complete, play the chord, and that'll help ground in that everything that you're relating here is related totally to this form, which is a movable thing. So that was a 4-note sequence. Let's try another one. 1, 2, 3, 1. So we went 1, 2, 3, and back to the first note. Then we'll go to the second note, do the same thing. You get the picture. Let me just play that one for you. There we have. As I say, you can make up your own. Later on you can do them with hammers and pulls, etc.